Ready? All right, here you go. Cocoa Bean. Doing a video.
Not yet.
It's already going.
I'm still chewing.
Okay, well, chew. But you gotta start it. We'll be right back.
Hi, my name's Coco, and I just got my name. Say hello. Just for 3 hours or so. I just want to show you a couple of videos. So, my name's Ella. And I just got brand new high heels from Sadie. My friend Sadie talked to me, and she got high heels too that she talks and she moves with her legs. And she talks too. So I'll see you in the next video. Bye. We'll see you in the next video. Bye. Oh, I'm leaving you guys. Bye. Okay. Say yay.
Yay, Cocoa Bean. Bye.